Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents: take watermelon seeds and boil them. The results will shock you. Watermelon seeds literally are food medicine. Watermelons are simply delicious and we especially love them during the summer. The watermelon seeds are usually considered as a trash, and just a few people like to eat them. Watch the video to discover how the least popular part of the fruit may actually be the most nutritious. Yet the truth is that they are loaded with health benefits, so as soon as you learn them, you will never ever consider them a trash again. Namely, watermelon seeds are extremely useful for improving the function of the digestive system. When you consume the seeds of the watermelon, they pass through the digestive tract and immediately improve the digestion. However, in order to use this advantage of watermelon seeds, you should initially cook, roast, or ground them. They are high in important nutrients like fiber, which promotes a healthy digestion, fights inflammations, treats intestinal parasites, and jaundice. Moreover, these seeds act as a diuretic, so the strong homemade watermelon seed tea is extremely effective in the case of issues of the urinary and kidney stones. Also, these seeds are rich in the citrulline compound, an organic complex with powerful antioxidant properties. Namely, it widens blood vessels and accelerates and improves their work. Therefore, it is extremely useful in the case of various health problems like atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, and angina pectoris. According to doctors, these seeds will help you treat and improve various health issues and conditions, as it will enhance the heart function, boost the memory and concentration, improve the muscle cells in the body, etc. Watermelon seeds are rich in healthy nutrients including magnesium, niacin, calcium, antioxidants, vitamin C, iron, vitamin B, vitamin A, manganese, etc. This is how to prepare the homemade tea of watermelon seeds and enjoy its important health benefits. Initially, crush and ground 4 tablespoons or 30 to 40 of fresh or dried watermelon seeds. Next, boil them in 2 liters of water for 15 minutes. Drink this tea for 2 days and then make a break for a day. Drink the entire 2 liters of tea over a period of 2 days for full effect. Repeat this cycle for a couple of weeks. This tea is especially good for those with digestive issues or those who are prone to urinary tract infections. It is advisable that you collect sufficient amounts of watermelon seeds during the summer, as it is a seasonal fruit and you cannot find it throughout the entire year. The homemade watermelon seeds tea is extremely healthy and its preparation is simple and easy. Try it as soon as possible and improve your health and the health of your family. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.